Welcome to this 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom townhouse in one of my favourite complexes in El Paraiso. It's called Balcon de Benavista and it was built by Wimpy Homes in the 1990s. So we've walked through the front door that you can see ahead there. And there's a small guest cloakroom as you enter. And then we're through to the kitchen. Nice window to look out of while you're doing the washing up. And an opening through to the dining and the living room, so you don't feel disconnected from your guests or your family while you're cooking. A lovely dining area here. And an understairs cupboard with the water heaters, great for storage, suitcases and cleaning equipment and such like. And then we have a couple of steps down to the living area where you can see there's a log burning stove. Plenty of room for the family to relax. Being on the corner, this townhouse has a larger garden than some of the townhouses here. The gate ahead of me is what the gardeners use to cut the grass, but it also takes you out to the community swimming pool. It's one of 2 community swimming pools here at Balcon, and it's just through that gate. You just see the blue water. Here they have sort of an outside storeroom, which could be used as a laundry area. They have an extra fridge in here and some comfortable outside seating. We'll see just now the 3rd bedroom, which is the downstairs bedroom. It's a very large room, but you could use that storage space outside if you wanted to add an ensuite bathroom to this bedroom. Again, it's got the patio doors to the terrace outside and the garden. It's a huge room, dual aspect and nice and bright. So plenty of room to either use that space for the ensuite bathroom, or you could do it without using that one up at all. And we'll go up the stairs now to the main bedrooms. So here at the top of the stairs you can see we've got a family bathroom where they've had a walk-in shower installed. And the 2nd bedroom, guest bedroom, again, look at the size. So much space here. There's a deceptively large wardrobe on your right hand side. It's a very deep wardrobe. Lovely room, could be a children's bedroom or your guest bedroom. And then out here to the master bedroom. Even with a super king bed like we have here and a cot, there's still plenty of circulation room. It's a very large room. Lots of wardrobe space. You can see both bedrooms have got air conditioning units. And again, another walk-in shower. The master bedroom also has its own terrace. You can see the swimming pool just there. We'll go down and take a closer look. So you can see now I've come outside of the gate to walk down to the pool. See the sea in the distance there, and the lovely swimming pool here. Just a few steps to walk down to get there, over this lovely stream. And then in the pool area you can see there's sun lounges for people to use. There's toilets at the back, some shady areas under the tree, and lots of sunshine.